Assalamualaikum. I am Marwa of class 6th Amber. Today I am going to make a sweet dish that is called sandwich cake. We are using sandwich maker so that children do not use flame or microwave. I have made all the things with this spoon. So let's start. And take a grinder and put 2 eggs, sugar in it and mix it well. Then take a bowl and put 5 spoons of maida in it. And put mixture in it and mix it well. After mixing, the mixture will look like this. Then take a sandwich maker and oil it first and put a full spoon in every sandwich. After filling it, bake it for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes it is baked, then switch off it and get the help of fork and take them out. And you can see these are baked very carefully. It is very easy and delicious for children to make.